How to install Average Secure VPN and Proxy server on iPhone/iPad. Important: if you previously installed an older version of Average Secure VPN on your iOS device, uninstall the existing version before you install the current version to prevent issues with your VPN configuration profile. After purchasing an Average Secure VPN multi-device subscription, you can use Average Secure VPN on iOS, Mac, Android, and Windows. This article contains instructions to install Average Secure VPN on iOS. To install Average Secure VPN on an additional device, refer to instructions in the relevant article below. Installing Average Secure VPN multi-device on Mac, installing Average Secure VPN multi-device on Android, or installing Average Secure VPN multi-device on Windows. Install Average Secure VPN on iOS. 1. Tap the App Store icon on the home screen of your device to open the store. 2. Search for Average Secure VPN, and tap Get to download the app. After the app is downloaded, tap Open. 3. To activate an existing subscription, tap Already Purchased, or if you have not already purchased a paid subscription, tap the X icon and select your preferred subscription plan. To open the app, tap the Average Secure VPN icon from your device's home screen. Activate a subscription. For detailed instructions on activating your subscription on iOS, refer to the article below, Activating Average Secure VPN Multi-Device on iOS.